Pero paano mo siya hanapin?
Alam ko nang gagawin ko. Huwag ka mag-alala, Linda. Nahanap ko siya dati. Mahahanap ko uli siya ngayon, okay?
Sana nga. Bye.
Mag-iingat ka.
Never knew you existed, never saw you in my dreams. If there were signs, I must have missed them. Who would I believe? Now all of a sudden, we're sharing this skin. Like a shadow, you stick to me through every gem I meet. You took me by the hand. You helped me understand. There'll never be another. No, no. My brother. When I felt like zero, you became my hero. One to another, you have been my brother.
Gulo-gulo!
My brother.
Ay, aray! Ay!
Whoa. When I was up against the wall, about to take a really big fall.
Sorry, late ako. Yung direksyong binigay mo sa akin, hindi